Once upon a time, Simon Sinek found himself intrigued by a simple yet puzzling question: why do some people and organizations achieve extraordinary success, while others with the same resources, talent, and circumstances fall short? As he delved into this mystery, he stumbled upon a pattern, a golden thread connecting the world's most inspiring leaders and groundbreaking organizations. They all started with why. Imagine a simple circle with 3 layers. The outermost layer is what, the middle is how, and the very core is why. Most people and companies focus on the what they sell, what they do. Some talk about how they do it, what makes them better or different, but the truly remarkable ones, they lead with why. They don't just sell a product. They share a purpose, a belief, a cause that resonates deeply with people. Take Apple, for example. Decades ago, it wasn't just another tech company. While others marketed computers based on specs, the what? Apple said, "We believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in thinking differently." That simple belief, Apple's why, made customers feel part of something bigger. Buying an Apple product became an act of rebellion, of creativity. Simon realized this approach wasn't just marketing magic, it was rooted in biology. Deep in the human brain lies the limbic system, the part responsible for emotions and decision-making. It doesn't understand facts or figures. It responds to purpose, to belief. When you tell someone your why, you're speaking the language of the limbic brain. You're not just selling them a product, you're inviting them to believe in something. This is why Martin Luther King Jr. didn't stand on the steps of a Lincoln Memorial and say, "I have a plan," he said, "I have a dream." His why stirred hearts and inspired millions to take action. In his quest, Simon found that all great leaders, whether in business, politics, or social movements, start with why. The Wright brothers didn't have the funding or education of their competitors, but their belief in the power of human flight inspired a dedicated team to help them conquer the skies. Similarly, companies like Southwest Airlines thrived not because they sold flights, but because they believed in making air travel accessible and joyful for everyone. Through his discoveries, Simon shared a powerful message: find your why. When you lead with purpose, you inspire loyalty, trust, and passion, whether you're running a company, leading a team, or just navigating life. The question isn't what you do or how you do it, the question is why you do it. And so, Simon turned his insights into a book that would change lives. Start with Why became a guide for those seeking clarity, inspiration, and a deeper connection with the people around them. Imagine a world where every individual and organization knew their why, where we all acted from a place of purpose and belief. That's the world Simon dreamed of, and he invites you to be part of it. So, what's your why? The answer could change everything.